Hi, this is a review of this recliner chair with a massage and heat feature. And in this video, I'd like to show you what it looks like, how to put it together, and everything you need to know. Let's unbox this together and see what this looks like. It came in one big box and it was wrapped in plastic. Very simple. The recliner is practically all assembled. There are only 4 pieces to it. This is what it looks like when all unpackaged. The back seat clips onto the base. There's absolutely no hardware, very simple slide and clip. And there are these 2 side cushions that clip on easily as well. Then all you have to do is connect the 4 wired connections in the back. And this is what the fully assembled chair looks like. Then you plug in the wall adapter. There's a pocket for the remote. So let's test this out, and this seat is very comfortable. So this chair comes with this remote, which controls the vibrating massage features. So this remote basically controls the heat feature and the vibration intensity and location and pattern. So there are basically vibrating motors in the back, thigh, and legs. The seat reclines using the manual lever. The cushions are very fluffy, made out of nice imitation leather. Very good quality stitching, looks very beautiful, and this is definitely a very nice material or easy material to clean up any mess. This leather recliner is very comfortable, very soft leather. Easy to clean, very comfortable, practical. It has a manual recline feature right here. Pull this lever and you can recline either partially or all the way laying down, all the way flat. You have a pocket right here, plugs into a regular outlet. You have the remote right here, convenient side pocket on the side to hold the remote and whatnot. So if you're looking for a simple, comfortable recliner with a massage and heat feature, this is an excellent choice.